Good morning, all of you. My name is Sachi Azriya. I study in class 7. My school name is the New American Academy. We are here to explain about lines and angles. My team name is Math Hunter, and my members of my group: Rimjim Upadhyay, Anvesha Raigor, Juhi Yadav, Pragya Tripathi, and I am Sachi Azriya. First of all, I would call for Anvesha Raigor to introduction about lines and angles.
Good morning everyone. My name is Anvesha Rajgond. I am of class 7th. My topic name is lines and angles. Why we use lines and angles in our daily life? In our daily life we see different type of angles formed between the edge of plan surface. For making similar kind of angles, model using the plan surface, we need to have some knowledge of angles. We need to have some knowledge of angles. In science, we study the properties of light when it enters by drawing the ray diagram. For example, to study the refraction properties of light, when it enters from one medium to other medium, we see the different type of angles formed between the edge of plan surface. We see the properties of intersecting lines and angles. Thank you. I would like to call Pragya Tripathi to explain about line and line segment and ray and point.
Hello everybody, my name is Pragya Tripathi and I am in class 7. Here I am gonna present you my presentation. My presentation topic is point, line segment, ray. Point. In geometry, dots are used to represent point as points. Point is used to represent a special location or a position. It has not any shape, size, length or breadth. And second one is line. A line has a straight figure. It's a straight figure. It does not have any end point. It can go extends infinitely in an opposite direction. And the third one is ray. A ray is a straight figure which have a one fixed point from which it starts and it moves towards in one direction. And the last one is line segment. A portion of line formed with two fixed points is known as line segment. Thank you. After me, Sachi Rajgharya will come and explain you lines.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Sachi Azriya. I study in class 7. I am here to present for lines and their types. First of all, what is a line? Line was an infinite. There are no end points. So there are four types of line: parallel line, concentric line, transversal line, intersector line. First of all, what is an intersector line? There are two lines is a common point. There are two lines as a common point. They were intersector line. Second of all, what is a transversal line? Transversal line. There are two straight line was cut one straight line. They were transversal line. Third, what is a parallel line? Parallel line has two lines. Parallel. Two lines has a plane pair is a parallel line. Fourth of concentric line. What is a concentric line? Concentric line has that's one plane has three more lines. Three of more lines at one plane. He was concentric line. I would call for Juhi Yadav to explain about lines, angles and their types.
Good morning all of you. Myself Juhi Yadav from class 7. Today I am here to presentation. My topic is types of angle. First of all, what is angle? Angle दो रे से मिलकर एंगल फॉर्म होता है, जो एक एंगल फॉर्म होता है और 6 टाइप्स होते हैं. एक्यूट एंगल इज 0 मोर देन 0 बट लेस देन 90 डिग्री. ऐसा एंगल जो 0 डिग्री से बड़ा हो बट 90 डिग्री से छोटा हो. ऐसे. और फिर रहता राइट एंगल 90 डिग्री मोर देन बट लेस देन 180 डिग्री. फिर वो होता है फिर स्ट्रेट एंगल, ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल मोर देन 90 डिग्री बट लेस देन 180 डिग्री. ना स्ट्रेट एंगल इज एग्जैक्ट 180 डिग्री आर फॉर्म. दिस इज कॉल्ड स्ट्रेट एंगल. दिस इज ए स्ट्रेट एंगल. अब रिफ्लेक्स एंगल मोर देन 180 डिग्री बट लेस देन 360 डिग्री. complete angle. An angle who measure exact 360 degree, there is called complete angle. Now this is a complete angle. Now I would like to call Rimzim Upadhyay to explain complementary and supplementary angle. Thank you.
Sir. Good morning all of you. Myself Rimzim Upadhyay. I am from class 7th. Today I am here to explain you about what are complementary angles and what are supplementary angles. So let's know. What are complementary angles? Complementary angles are sum of two angles. If we sum of two angles and we got the answer 90 degree, then it is known as complementary angles. फिर in getting in similarly इन सिंपलरली जैसे कि कभी दो एंगल्स को अगर हम सब करें और उसका 90 डिग्री आंसर आता है, जैसे कि वी कैन टेक 30 डिग्री प्लस 60 डिग्री, आंसर इज़ 90 डिग्री, देन इट इज़ नोन एज इट इज़ अ कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल, बिकॉज क्योंकि दो एंगल्स को अगर हम सम करें और 90 आ रहा है, इस वजह से ये कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स है. और इसका और एग्जांपल ले सकते हैं 25 प्लस 55, so 550 and this is 90. So this is known as complementary angles. What are supplementary angles? Supplementary angles are sum of two angles if the sum of two angles are 180. So if we sum of two angles and we got 180. So for example, 100 plus 80. So we got 180. So it is a complementary angles, and suppose means more like that. So now I would like to call Juhi Yadav to explain you about adjacent and linear pairs.
Good morning all of you. Myself Juhi Yadav from class 7. Today I am here to deliver presentation. My topic is adjacent angle, linear pair and vertically opposite angle. First, adjacent angle. Two angles who fulfills our property. First, common vertex, and second common arms, and third non-common arms. Second, linear pair. Two angles are adjacent and they are supplementary and vertically opposite angle. When two lines intersect each other, then vertically opposite. अगर इसका 70 है तो इसका भी 70 होगा, क्योंकि ये इसका वर्टिकली अपोजिट है, और इसका 30 है तो इसका भी 30 होगा, क्योंकि ये वर्टिकली अपोजिट एंगल है. थैंक यू.
Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe.